Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. This is Ashwati. In today's video, we are gonna review this Nykaa Skin Genius BB all-in-one cream, and this is launched 1 week back and I ordered it right then when I saw it because I was so excited to try it out because it has got 5 shades, and usually when it is BB cream it is only 1 shade or 2 shade, maximum 3 shade when it is an affordable range. It's always that they completely ignore dusky and deeper skin tone, and since this is just 5 shade, this is not gonna cater deeper skin tone for sure. I want to try it out if it is gonna suit dusky skin tone. Product is Nykaa Skin Genius BB all-in-one cream, which has got SPF 30, which is great, and it has got 30 gram of product and it retails for 349 rupees, and I've got it in shade Classic Tan, which is the darkest shade in the range. And the specialty of this brand is that Nykaa brand is that they are cruelty free, SLS free, paraben free. And now let's start with the packaging. Packaging is as that of any other Nykaa packaging. It comes in this acid wash carton kind of packaging, which has all the details including price, manufacturing date, expiry date, and the shade name, and all the other details like ingredients and how to use it. The actual product comes in this kind of tube kind of packaging, which is very travel friendly, which is something I like. And this is squeezy tube, and so it is hygienic, and cap is quite sturdy. It doesn't open up very easily, so as I said, it is very travel friendly. So packaging wise, this one is good. And next we will talk about pricing. It retails for 349 rupees and we get 30 gram of product, so it is affordable. It is definitely not expensive and it is not cheap either. It is on affordable side, so I don't find anything bad about the pricing. I will just take 1 drop of product here, and as you guys can see, very strong undertone to it. This is the darkest shade, you guys, and it has got a very creamy texture. Unlike their foundation, it is not liquidy. It is very creamy. It is the right consistency, I feel, and once we blend it, if you guys can see, it is darker. It oxidizes very fast in just 2 or 3 minutes. That's something very surprising to me. Usually foundations or any BB cream or CC cream, it takes some time to oxidize, maybe like 5 minutes or 10 minutes at least. But here it oxidizes so fast, maybe in 2 or 3 minutes it just oxidizes and turns into darker color, which I do not mind. And one more thing I need to tell you guys is that it stains so badly. So when it is BB cream, we usually tend to apply it with our fingers itself because that's much easier. BB cream is something which we use it on daily purpose. On daily purpose, we do not usually prefer to use brushes and makeup sponges, so we like to keep it with minimum products, right? Trust me guys, every time you use this BB cream, you will have to wash your hands, that is for sure, because your hands are going to stain very badly. And now it is 6:30. I have worn this BB cream at 3:30. Now it is 3 hours, and as you guys can see, it is not oily at all. For the longevity of the product, I feel that it's quite okay. Considering that this is a BB cream, it did last for me good 3 hours intact. It didn't move at all. Definitely I have set it with compact powder. Please to keep that in mind as well. It is not waterproof, not even water resistant. So if you are someone who sweats a lot, this BB cream is not for you because it's gonna just melt away. 2 drops of water, and I will just put it over here. It melts away, guys. It just melts away just like that. Now let's see if it is transfer proof. I will just press this cotton pad to my skin just like so, and if you guys can see, there's nothing has come out. We have talked about the product. Let's see its pros and cons. Pro number 1 is its packaging. Packaging is pretty good. It's travel friendly. Number 2 is that its pricing is decent. It is neither expensive neither cheap, so it's somewhere in between. Number 3 is that it has got SPF 30, so even if you skip sunscreen, it is gonna be fine actually. Number 4 is that it is very easily blendable, which is very good, and once you blend it, it is intact. It is not going to move at all, so which is good actually. Pro number 5 is that this is cruelty free, SLS free, and paraben free, which is great. And now let's move on to negatives, and the very first negative I need to tell you guys is that the shade range, even though this has got 5 shades, it has got very weird undertone, especially for the deeper ones. 4 and 5 has got very dark and deep orangish tint to it, which makes our skin a little bit orangey, which is something I do not like. But then if you set with a compact powder which is slightly lighter to your skin tone, it might work out. So shade wise, I am not at all happy. And the second negative what I felt is that it sets so quickly that we do not get time to even blend. We need to be very quick at applying this BB cream, and if we are not blending it before setting, it's gonna be patchy and it's gonna be look very weird. It is not waterproof, not water resistant, not even sweat proof. If you are like sweating a little bit, it's just gonna wash off, so which is again a very big negative. So dusky skin tone people like me, I wouldn't really recommend you guys to buy it unless and until you try this product. Nykaa has stores in some places, so if you guys can go there and try it out and then buy it, that would be okay. Online purchase I wouldn't recommend that much because of this weirdest undertone. I wouldn't see myself using this as it is. So that's it guys, I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. So if you guys have tried this product, please do let me know in the comment section down below how this product is for you, if it worked for you or not, especially if you are dusky skin tone. If you like this video, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you very soon in the very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all.